Hello, I'm Linda Shenton-Matchett, author, speaker, and history geek. While researching my books, I often unearth tons of intriguing historical information that doesn't end up in my stories, so I've created this channel to share those tidbits with you. Today, we're going to be making chicken Provencal out of Wartime Meals cookbook. Stay tuned to the end for the recipe and try your hand at this delicious, economical dish. Today we're making Provencal chicken for 6. We are going to brown the chicken in a fry pan on top of the stove, and we've added approximately 2 tablespoons of butter. During World War II they probably would have used margarine, which was more readily available. However, we have chosen to use butter.
Butter's got better flavor.
The chicken is going to be browned but not cooked through. It will be baked in the oven to cook it to the end. While the chicken is browning on the stove, we're going to prepare our vegetables. The recipe calls for 2 large carrots. The carrots we had were smaller than that, so we're using 3 medium carrots. It called for 2 small onions. However, the onions that we had access to at the grocery store were huge, so we're using 1 large onion. And it calls for small cubes of potatoes. We are peeling the potato.
Yeah, one more.
The idea is to have the pieces of vegetables approximately the same size so that they all cook to the same doneness. We're coarsely chopping the onions, we will thickly slice the carrots, and we will cube the potatoes. What kind of a potato is that, and why did we pick it? I know it wasn't a russet.
No, yes, I think there's a Yukon Gold.
Oh, yeah, that's what the label says.
We picked this potato type because it's not a real starchy potato. And it mixed,
Good for stews and stuff?
yeah, good for stews. Russets can get real soft in stews. This won't be real soft. It'll be soft, but it won't retain its shape. Let me get this down and move the camera down and turn the chicken.
Ooh. The browning gives flavor as it caramelizes.
And so this isn't caramelization, this is the Maillard.
Ah, so it's different when it's meat?
Caramelization sugar, this is
Okay.
protein.
That's fine. Now that the chicken has been browned, we're going to assemble the dish. We're using a 7 by 11 casserole dish. And it looks like there might be some bits of goodness there.
Flavor. That's exactly what that is. That is flavor.
We will then put the vegetables on top.
We're still getting flavor.
So by adding water to the bottom of the pan, it has loosened the bits of chicken. So we're sprinkling the vegetables evenly into the dish.
That's enough onion. Oopsie.
We will then season with salt and pepper. We're going to use a 1/4 teaspoon of pepper and a 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Then we're going to pour the 2 cups of water into the dish. Rather than add cold water directly to the cooked chicken, we microwave the water to where it's hot. It will bake at a 350-degree oven for 1 hour. Thank you for watching Moments in History. I hope you've enjoyed today's episode. If you'd like to learn even more history, please stop by my blog at www.lindashentonmatchett.com. Be sure to tune in every second and fourth Friday of the month for new episodes on both YouTube and Spotify. On YouTube, click the bell icon to be notified of new episodes. Thanks again for watching and have a great rest of your day.